Hi everybody and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay, this particular tutorial is all about making a topper for a fake donut. Yes, that's right guys, a fake donut. Now, I'll just get my fake donut to show you the one I'm going to use. And here it is here. Okay, can you see that? So if you've seen my other tutorials, I've gone through exactly how you make this. So hopefully you're at that stage already. And I shall show you next what you need to do to make this particular topper. And this topper is going to be chocolate sauce and chocolate balls. Little small balls, and you'll see what I mean in a minute. Well, actually, I'll show you now. Why not? Because it's the whole point. There. So we've got these. So we've got the chocolate balls and the chocolate sauce. And the chocolate sauce is going to be burnt umber paint, acrylic paint. So what I'm going to do next is just put some of this burnt umber around here with my fingy, just to show you that it looks like sauce, chocolate sauce. And then I'm going to sprinkle those chocolate fake balls on the top. And hopefully it will all look wonderful. So without further ado, let me get on with that. Okay, so we've got our burnt umber. And what I will do is just not do it like that, because it just popped. Did you just see that? I'm going to leave that in. I'm not going to cut that out of the clip because, you know, things go wrong. And does it matter? No, it doesn't. It didn't go on the donut, so it's not going to make an issue. So, because I was trying to be clever then, I was going to just squeeze it and put it a little bit on my fingy, and it didn't quite work. But what I would do is, instead of wasting it, I'm going to use that little bit. So, you know, we've got through the issue there, haven't we, guys? So hopefully you're laughing that that's gone wrong, but you know, it's life, isn't it? Things go wrong and you just get over it. So I'm going to try and squeeze some burnt umber out again. Can you see that? There you go. I suppose you could put it on with the brush, but you know, I don't want to wash the brush out, so I'm going to do it like this. Okay, so you just put it on like that, you know, rather thick if you can. There we go, a little bit more. And it does look like runny chocolate. Okay, so you just do that. Try to get it to the edges as much as you'd like. And I'm going to put a little bit more on there because we've got these balls. So they're made out of polystyrene, I believe. And they're very light. So I shouldn't need to put any glue on this because the paint will act as glue. Funny that, isn't it? But it is. Ooh, nearly lost it again there, guys. Okay, so let's put that all around like so. Looks lovely, doesn't it? Absolutely marvellous. So I'm just doing that, and then what I shall do next is just get those balls, which are here, and I'm just going to open it so you can hear that. Okay, so all you do is get your balls, as I say, and then I'm just going to sprinkle some on like that. Okay, so that's plenty. Okay, and you don't want to be in a windy area when you do this, guys, because these are so light. But I think this is going to work amazingly. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that and just tip those excess off. Okay. So there you go. Look at that. That's another pretty simple and quick one. So we've got chocolate sauce with chocolate balls. And because there's a different shade of brown, it really shows up marvellously on the donut. So there you go. So that's another one done. So yeah, let me know how you get on with this one if you try it yourself. Hopefully you will, because that's the whole point of these tutorials. And yes. Let's see. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that. Okay, so that was another quick tutorial. So like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye-bye for now.